A joke me a make. Me believe say every woman fi be independent too.
Sister J, I'm totally sorry. You know, I never meant to get annoyed. But it's just that, you know, this is really not like me.
I understand. You're a human too, you know.
Look, I'm just really tired of men being seen as sex toys and ATM machines for women.
Some woman, Pastor, me's a very independent woman. Let me tell you this. From me a little bit of girl, me a hustle for my own. So me no fit up in other category there, sir.
I can definitely see that, Sister J.
But you need name of me that while I go to feel like a joke when me run.
Sister J, again, I am totally sorry. Alright? And I really do not see that light. I just found it very surprising for such a statement that you made.
Let me tell you something. You see, every woman want a man to take care of them. That not necessarily mean a sex she want her money.
That is exactly what I'm talking about, Sister J. Not many women see it that way, you know. You are definitely one in a million.
Pastor, stop.
No, I mean, I'm very serious. You are a very special woman to me, right? And I have so much respect for you. So, how have you been these past couple of days?
Me alright, Pastor.
So, I see that you've basically changed your mind about speaking to me about this internal battle that you're having.
Why, Pastor? To tell you the truth, sometimes I say no, let me just keep it to myself here, cause and everything good for eat, good for talk.
Yeah, I totally understand and I totally agree with you. However, everybody needs somebody. It really and truly makes no sense to carry a burden all by yourself, especially if someone who's giving you a shoulder to lean on.
I think it's time for me to go in. Give me a minute, right?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Alright, thank you. What go on, Hittis?
Go on, Godmadda. If you just say Slimmers, like how you now run the block again.
What you do, Hittis? Why you move, sir?
King and Stone Face come give me a visit, you know. So my sister me under payment.
Me nah have nothing to do with that page there.
Slimmers, hear this. Money have to make. Food have to eat. You walk away from the life. Never even respect me enough. A stone alone you chat to.
Brother. Me did I go link you.
That I did a go. Everything a Stone Face.
Sister J.
I immediate. Me I did the follow back.
Give me a
Everything alright?
Yeah, man.
Sure?
Yeah, man.
I want Pastor. You want to play Jesus. You want to die for your sins.
Just go on. Just give me a minute. No good, man. Everything good.
Alright.
Yeah. It is my mark say something. Are you trying for my life?
Where you talk about?
What you mean when me I talk about? Me not see a par with the two youth them a try to take my life.
You're a Christian now. Maybe a spirit you see.
You know, say me here for. You know, say me here for go have a serious start though.
King not tell you. I'm not in a talking thing. Just tell King and Stone say, don't circle the block again. Here.
That you say?
That me say.
So, I will get the other. Spain?
Go on, praise God and live. Yeah.